So today we had members of the Dragon baseball team come and visit us as a part of their Dragon Skills math program.
108.
Yep. Just kind of to give back, you know, we all went to most of these schools, like I went to Bluff, so yeah, it's nice to see old teachers and, you know, kind of be like a good influence to the kids.
It's really special. I mean, I got to do this when I was little. I remember the older kids coming in. It was just really cool to like hear their stories and get their cards and pencils and play with them. So it's really special for me to come back and be able to do it myself. Our main focus is just spreading positivity and math facts.
It builds that bigger picture. We always talk about when you leave Bluff that you're always going to be a Bobcat. And so getting to see these young men come back, those who were Bobcats and then those who were students at other campuses within our learning community, it just really ties it all together that we are that large community.